VICTOG.com.
Next question from exercise 4.2. The question is, find two consecutive positive integers. Find two consecutive positive integers. Sum of whose squares is squares is 365. This is the question. We have to find out two positive integers, sum of whose squares must be 365. So we can assume the two consecutive positive integers to be x and x plus 1. Since they are consecutive, the difference will be 1. So let us assume the two consecutive positive integers to be x and x plus 1. We are assuming the two numbers to be x and x plus 1. Now, we are squaring and then adding the two numbers. The result will be 365. It is given. That is x square plus x plus 1 the whole square is equal to 365. We are squaring and then adding the two consecutive integers. Now x square plus, we have to expand x plus 1 the whole square using the identity a plus b the whole square. What is a plus b the whole square? A square plus 2ab plus b square. Now x plus 1 the whole square become x square plus 2 into x into 1. 2 into x into 1 is equal to 2x plus 1 square is 1 itself is equal to 365. Now bring this 365 to the left side. X square plus x square, 2x square plus 2x plus 1, 365 will become minus 365 while bringing to the left side. 365 is equal to 0. Now 2x square plus 2x plus 1 minus 365 is equal to minus 364 is equal to 0. The rule is we are subtracting 1 from 365 and giving the sign of the larger number. Okay. Now we can divide throughout by 2. 2x square plus 2x minus 364 is equal to 0. We can divide throughout by 2. Now the equation will be some more simpler, such as x square plus x minus 182 is equal to 0. The equation reduces to x square plus x minus 182 is equal to 0 while we are dividing throughout by 2. Now we have to find out two numbers such as sum is plus 1 and the product is minus 182. Sum is equal to plus 1 and the product is equal to minus 182. We have to find out two numbers. For that we are going to prime factorize 182. 182 can be divided by 2, 91. Dividing by 7, 13. Now 2 into 7 is equal to 14 and the next number is 13. We have to find out two numbers whose sum is plus 1. If we have to obtain the sum as plus 1, the larger number will be plus and the smaller will be minus. Now adding plus 14 and minus 13, the sum will be plus 1 and multiplying the product will be plus into minus. Minus 14 into 13, 182. Now we are going to split the middle term. X square plus x can be splitted as plus 14x minus 13x, then minus 182 equal to 0. From the first two terms, we can take x as a common factor. We are taking x outside, the remaining is x plus 14. From the next two terms, we have to take a common factor and the remainder there also must be x plus 14. For that, we have to take minus 13 as a common factor. Minus 13 as a common factor because minus 13x means minus 13 into x. Minus 192 means minus 13 into 14. Now we are taking minus 13 as common. The remaining is x minus x plus 14 is equal to 0. Now, here also x plus 14, here also x plus 14. X plus 14 is taken as a common and the remaining is x minus 13 is equal to 0. Now, x plus 14 is equal to 0, therefore x is equal to minus 14, and x minus 13 is equal to 0, therefore x is equal to plus 13. We had obtained the values of x as minus 14 and plus 13, but see, in the question it is given that we have to find out two consecutive positive integers. So the value x is equal to minus 14 is not acceptable here, because we want to find out two positive integers. So we are taking x is equal to 13. If x is equal to 13, then x plus 1 is equal to 13 plus 1 is equal to 14. Therefore, the required two positive integers are 13 and 14. These are the two numbers. When we are squaring and adding these two numbers, we will get 365. So the answer is 13 and 14. Okay.